Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So I've here the global version, which one you can have in Europe or America. So let us start. So first of all, we need a little knife to remove the plastic. Here it is. And be carefully. This plastic. So, and then let's start to open. Never ending. Oh, no. So, here's nothing inside there. So, but let us check the box here with the instructions. And first of all, if you open it, we will see here the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray, to insert a SIM card, and so on. So then we have here some instructions. So a quick start guide. It looks big, but it's in many languages here. But I will show you more in some other videos what you can do with. And a warranty card and a cover. So I have here the version in interstellar gray, and we have also a dark case here. Very nice, and have a nice grip, by the way. Yeah, so let's come to the phone now. So I have it here in interstellar gray. It's more kind of blue. Okay, so let's have a look on the phone. So it has a nice quality. So we have glass here, Gorilla Glass at the back and at the front. It's very scratch resistant. We have a plastic film here on the screen, very nice. And by the way, we will need the case because the cameras here are a bit out of the phone, and if you will put it here on the desk or somewhere else, then it could have made scratches and so on. So use the case. And the fingerprint sensor is here on the side, and so on and so on. So here down we have a USB Type-C port, and we have an audio jack. Very nice. It's not so common anymore. Okay, so let's have a look what we have here down. So we have the USB Type-C cable, of course, we had that topic already, and in combination with the power adapter here, it supports fast charging with 30 watt. So by the way, this charger here have 33 watts, so a bit more, but the phone supports up to 30 watt. And that means that you can charge your phone in 30 minutes with 60%. So very nice. And I hope you could help you with this video and answer a question what's included at the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.